Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert centimeter to inch in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that centimeter to inch in the convert. Now then you show centimeter and to the inch then for convert. Now firstly press from the equal. Now type from the convert. Now select from the convert, then select from the in centimeter. Now press comma, then press from the double quotation centimeter, double quotation, comma, again double quotation inch, again double quotation, and close the first bracket. Now press for enter. That's it. Now mark the raw. That's it. Then issue convert inch centimeter to inch in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for